Today we're doing the famous Moonlight Sonata. So I'll play it and then we'll talk about it. So pretty. Alright, so we're going to split this into two sections. In the first part, our right hand is covering the chords and our left hand is playing bass notes. In the second section, our left hand is playing the chords and our right hand is playing the melody. So here's the chords of the right hand of the first part. A, D, F is our first chord. We're going to play that in this arpeggiated pattern 8 times. Then we're going to go to this for 2 times, B flat, D, F, B flat, E flat, G for 2 times, A, D, F for 2 times, A, C sharp, E for 2 times, and then we're going to land just on that D. So once again, that first chord goes 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then B flat, D, F for 2 times, B flat, E flat, G for 2 times, back to A, D, F for 2 times, A, C sharp, E for 2 times, and we land on that D. The second part has the left hand playing a bass line over these chords. We start with D for 4 counts, C for 4 counts, B flat for 2, G for 2, A for 4. Here's what that's going to sound like all together. Then our left hand switches to C, our right hand keeps the same shape, then our left hand stays and our right hand switches, and then our right hand lands on this D and our left hand is into the next part, arpeggiating this D minor shape. Okay, so the next part has our left hand doing those arpeggiations of the chords, and it's a different set of shapes. So here's the first shape for 4 counts. Here's the second shape for 4 counts. Then all the shapes after this are 2 counts. Back to this one. D, G, B flat, C, F, A, C, E, G, down to an F. And when we end, we're going to arpeggiate this F in both our hands. Just like that. So here's what that's going to sound like. 4 counts on this. 4 counts on this. Then 2 counts on everything. 2, 2, and arpeggiate. And while our left hand is doing that, our right hand is playing this pretty melody. A, 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 B flat, A, G, C, F. And that's it. So here is all of the Moonlight Sonata again. And that's it. Have fun practicing.